Hey minors, this is Miss Cutshall. I'm going to walk you through your lesson for this week, our narrative writing assignment. So when you get into your Google Classroom, we have narrative writing. Cosmo the boat cat is our topic. So I'm going to go ahead and open it. This assignment is for the week of February 24th. You will have this week and next week to work on this assignment, so take your time. I'm going to start by opening my work, and it's going to give me my directions. Do not delete the directions. You guys always ask that if you can delete or not. In this instance, I want you to save them so you know everything you're supposed to do, and then you'll just type below. Directions. Step 1, dissect the prompt below. Step 2, watch this video, Cosmo the Boat Cat. Step 3, plan your writing on paper using a graphic organizer. Step 4, type your response. To be successful in this assignment, you must include a topic sentence that restates the prompt, type a paragraph of 6 sentences or more, include examples and evidence from the prompt and story in your response. All right, so here is our prompt, and our first step before we do anything else is to dissect the prompt. So it says, at the end of the video. Now this isn't going to make a lot of sense because you haven't watched the video yet, but remember we're dissecting the prompt so we know what we're listening and looking for in the video. At the end of the video, Thelonious the turtle tells Cosmo they can go on an adventure. Think about the things Cosmo and Thelonious could do while they are swimming through the sea. Write a story about a new adventure that Cosmo and Thelonious will have together. Use what you have learned about the characters and setting of the video to write your story. Your story does not have to rhyme. So I'm going to start with my ding ding word that's making me pay attention, and that is write. So I am going to underline it. So I click and drag to highlight it blue. Then I come up here and click the underline button. The blue is our topic. So what are we going to be writing, our format. The blue is our format. What are we writing? We are writing a story. So I'm going to click and drag to highlight it. We can't put the bubble around it, so we're just going to highlight blue. We are writing a story. The green is the topic. What are we writing about? We're writing about a new adventure that Cosmo and Thelonious will have together. So again, click and drag to highlight. Click the highlight button, and we're going to make it green. And the orange is big ideas. Use what you have learned about the characters and the setting of the video. That's our orange. Characters and setting to write your story. Your story does not have to rhyme. So I'm going to be writing a story about a new adventure of Cosmo and Thelonious, and I have to include characters and setting in my video. So that was dissecting the prompt. Even though I'm showing you, I want you to do this in your assignment as well. Number 2 is watch this video. So I click on this. This is a hyperlink. So I click, and then I come down here and click again. And it's going to open the video for me in YouTube. Cosmo the Boat Cat. You are going to watch the whole video thinking about the prompt. What's the prompt? We're going to write a story about a new adventure that they're going to have together. So I'm going to watch the whole entire video. And then I'm going to plan my writing on paper using a graphic organizer. 3rd and 5th grade, your graphic organizer is pink. It looks like this. 4th grade, yours is slightly different. It is white. So yours has a little more detail in it. So what you are doing, you are not writing a summary of the story you just watched. You are planning what you are going to write next. Wait, what am I writing next? A new adventure that Cosmo and Thelonious will have together. So I am planning what characters. Well, Thelonious and Cosmo should probably be in it, but you can add new characters as well. Where and when does it take place? Does it take place in the summer or winter? Does it take place in the ocean? Does it take place in the mountains? Your setting and characters need to make sense to the video. So think about what you know about the characters already, and your story should be a jumping off point right from the video. What's the problem or going on? What's the main problem in your story? First event, second event, final event, and then ending. So you are planning the story you are going to write on paper. We are going to collect this at the end of class, so make sure your name is on it. All right, after you plan your story on paper, you're going to type your response. You're going to come down here. It says start your story here. So I'm going to delete this, and I'm literally going to start typing. One day, Thelonious and Cosmo were out on the boat, or whatever it is I'm going to write about. You are using your graphic organizer to help you write your story. You have this week to work on this, 2 weeks to work on this, so make sure you are taking your time and doing a good job. All right, good luck on your assignment.